Imagine waking up on April 1st and realizing that all your important files are completely gone, just vanished. And you also realize that it wasn't an April Fool's joke. Because really, this happens to, well, 67% of all computer users. And yes, that is a real number. Hello everyone and welcome back to Recoverit Data Recovery. Now my name is Guillermo, and with World Backup Day coming up on March 31st, today we're covering up the ultimate PC backup tips that could really save all your digital life. But before we dive in, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss any tech tips just like this that could really save you thousands of dollars. Now let's get right into the video. Now here's the truth about PC data backup and recovery. You can have hardware failures, accidental deletions, ransomware attacks that really cause millions of losses every year. And this can happen whether you're a Windows or Mac user, because really no PC is fully immune. But here's the good news. You can protect everything that you have with the right backup strategy. And I'm about to break it all down in just, let's say, around 5 minutes. First, let's always remember the golden rule of PC backup tips, which is the 3-2-1 strategy. It basically entails in having always 3 copies of your data, 2 copies in 2 different storage types, and 1 copy off-site. We go more deep into this strategy in our past Recoverit videos on our channel, so feel free to search for them if you want to learn more about this strategy. Now, the thing about this strategy is that it fully ensures that you're never caught off guard, such as losing a hard drive or getting it stolen, or maybe your cloud storage gets completely wiped. So now let's see how you can use this strategy in both Windows and Mac. So here's the good thing, is that you can use what you already have. Both Windows Backup and Mac Backup have built-in solutions. On Windows, let's click the Start button and go to Settings. Now click Update and Security. Now choose Backup and any connected external hard drives will appear. If no drive is selected by default, you can click Add a drive. Then select a drive from the list and backups will occur automatically to the hard drive, allowing you to restore them if the originals are lost, damaged, or deleted. If you want to customize your backup, click More Options under Backup using File History. Here you can configure your backup settings according to your specifications, such as choosing when to backup files, how long to keep backups, and also what folders to include in those backups. Now on Mac, let's first connect your external storage device, such as a USB, a Thunderbolt, or even an SSD drive. Ideally, a drive that has plenty of free space. Then let's open System Settings from the Apple menu in the top left, and in the sidebar, click General, then click Time Machine on the right, and now let's click Add Backup Disk, or on the plus icon. In the list that appears, select your connected drive and click Setup Disk. You can tick Encrypt Backups if you want to protect your backups with a password. But please remember that you cannot restore your data without this password. So if you do use one, please do not forget about it. And if it's hard for you to manage, you can turn it off. Then hit the Done button. Once you've chosen the disk, Time Machine will immediately begin using it for backups. So make sure the backup automatically toggle is switched on so macOS can run backups in the background without you having to start them manually. If you want more control over backup behavior, then click Options in the Time Machine settings. Now for backup frequency, let's choose how often backups run. For example, on hourly, on daily, even weekly. On Backup on Battery Power, you can allow backups when on battery, which is very handy for laptops. And then on Exclude Items, you can add folders or drives you do not want in the backup. Time Machine automatically keeps hourly backups for the past 24 hours, also daily backups for the past month, and weekly backups for older history. When the backup drive gets full, the oldest backups are removed to make room for the new ones. But if you want to switch to a larger backup drive later, then open Time Machine settings again and choose a new disk with Add Backup Disk and select a new drive. Time Machine can then start backing up to it once selected. These are free and automatic and perfect for everyday Windows backup and Mac backup protection. Cloud backup. Now, OneDrive for Windows, iCloud for Mac, or Google Drive for both. These services sync your most important folders automatically. And the best part, you can access your files from any device. And they're protected even if your PC is destroyed or stolen or drowned in a flood on your hometown, you never know. But here's the downside you should know about. Most cloud storage plans are not completely free, once you need more space, of course. All these companies offer a small amount of free storage. For example, Google Drive gives you a 15 GB free. OneDrive gives you 5 GB free, and iCloud also starts with 5 GB free. But if you go over those limits, you'll need to pay for more space. So let's say that you're just backing up a few documents or photos, the free tier might just be enough. But if you're storing lots of files, videos, or multiple devices, you'll likely need a paid subscription. Now that means that cloud backups are great for convenience and access, but they do come with ongoing costs, and you need to plan your storage tier based on how much data you actually have. Or here is our pro tip: combine cloud and local backup for that maximum protection. Now, what if disaster already struck and you forgot to backup, or your hard drive crashed, or your files got completely deleted? Well, that's where Wondershare Recoverit comes in. Now, Recoverit is an AI-powered data recovery software designed specifically for PC users. Whether you're on Mac or Windows, you can recover over 1,000 file types, which includes photos, videos, documents, you name it. And the AI-enhanced scanning finds files other tools can miss out. And it also supports crashed systems, formatted drives, even corrupted partitions. It's very simple. You choose your location and scan it. Then you can preview the files to make sure that those are what you actually need. Then you can select them and then hit recover, and done. Whether it's from a hard drive failure, accidental deletion, or system crash, Recoverit has your back. Think of it more as an insurance policy for your data backup and recovery, because the truth is, even the best backup plans can fail. But if you'd like to try Recoverit for free, you can do so with the link in the description down below. Now let's do a quick recap of what we've talked about in this video, so you're all set before World Backup Day on March 31st. So here are the things that you need to make sure. First, make sure that you have an automatic sync backup for your Mac or Windows. Second, make sure that you've enabled cloud storage for your most critical files. Thirdly, make sure that you've tested all your backups so that you don't have any surprises in the future. Fourth, make sure that you have at least one backup offsite. And then fifth, make sure that you have installed Wondershare Recoverit so that it becomes your safety net if any disaster does happen. Now let's talk about the don'ts, because you surely do not want to commit these mistakes. Putting all your files in just one backup, never testing your backups, and assuming this won't happen to me. Because let me tell you, it might just happen. If this video helped you in any way, then please make sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well for more tech tutorials just like this, and drop a comment below with your biggest backup horror story. Let's all learn from each other. And remember, March 31st is World Backup Day, but every day should be World Backup Day. So if you apply these tips and strategies, you will never lose your data again, and it will be protected at all costs. So I'll see you all in the next one. Stay safe, keep your data protected. Goodbye.